Find the center of the doors. Mark the edges of both doors on the face of the frame. Use a tape measure to locate and mark the midpoint between those lines. Open both doors by engaging the mechanisms to access where the head strike will be installed. Identify the center line and the fin on the head strike. Align the center line with the mark you made in the previous step. The fin side goes against the head stop. Peel off the backing on the temporary tape and install the head strike, matching the notch to your center line. Secure the head strike with one screw. Close both doors to ensure they latch with minimal force. Open and close each door. They should operate independently without interfering with the head strike. Fasten the remaining 3 head strike screws.